Hello friends, in this video we will do the installation of the customized Postgresql package from source code using the root user. And as I told you, there's no much differences in when we use the root user, and I will show you what are the differences. The first thing is that you need to enter as a root, and the way to do that is sudo su. You enter the password Now, as you can see, that you are as a root, and this is the name of the server. You change the directory, and that's it. You can start following the same procedures in here, except that one thing: since you are a root now, then you don't need to use the sudo command. You don't have to use the sudo, because this sudo used with the sudo user, and now you are a root. Root can do anything in the server. That's why it is a very dangerous account, because any mistake when you do any task on the server, it might corrupt. If you do it wrong, it might corrupt your entire Postgresql server. So there's no need from now to use the sudo command. You just follow, download, create the directory, change it, and follow all these steps. And the user as well will be a root, and start the server, and every other step almost identical. That's the only one thing difference when you use the root user. Well, thank you very much for watching.